I'm going to show you how to add a logo to your receipt. Now, it's really simple. All we need to do is just log ourselves in. Just log myself in there like so. We'll go to Settings and Administration, Software Settings. Then what we're going to do is nip it over to Special Tasks right here. Click on this one right here saying Set Receipt Logo for this store. Run that selected task. There we go. And then that's my logo that I want to actually put on my receipts. So I'll click on that one, press on Open. And there you have it. Nip over to Software Settings. Go over to Receipts. And then what we need to do, we need to set the actual width and height of those of the actual pixel size of the receipt logo itself. Now, by standard, the width is 250 pixels in width. That is basically the same size as a receipt logo on a standard receipt printer. Now, what we do need to do, we need to set the actual height in pixels as well. Now, to find that out, all you need to do, you can actually just right-click on the actual image itself and look in the properties. It'll tell you, obviously, what size it is, or obviously you can just chat to the person who actually designed it for you. Now, obviously, I already know mine is 154, so literally all you need to do is, type it in there, what it is like so, just so you get the aspect ratio correct. We'll go on Save Settings on that one. And then what I can do, I'll just quickly show what that looks like then when we actually print one of them off. I've already saved one for yourself. Obviously, I haven't got a printer plugged in, but you'll be able to see it like so. And there you have it. So there's the actual logo there, stored there. And obviously, my last transaction was there as well. So you can feel free to put whatever you like in there. Just don't make it too wide. Obviously, the resolution itself as well. Don't make that too large because it can generally slow down certain transactions. Just try and make the actual image reasonably small. And obviously in black and white as well. Generally, all receipt printers are all black and white. So there you have it. Do hope that's been useful. I'll check it out next time. Thank you.